5 sauces you can have when trying to shed kilos. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. We all know that apple cider vinegar can help you lose weight by reducing the body fat percentage. Number 2. Guacamole dip or mashed avocado. This condiment can be made easily at home and you can enjoy it every day.
This dip is low in calories. Number 3. Hummus. Hummus is super healthy and tasty. Low in calories, loaded with fiber and protein.
Number 4. Salsa. Salsa is low in calories and is an
excellent alternative to your salad dressing.
Number 5. Mustard sauce. Mustard seeds are one of the best food items for weight loss.
Thanks for watching. Never forget to subscribe my YouTube